Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Today we're taking a look at the EMA Key West. This is a brand new model they just launched last week. We had the pleasure of participating in their riding event and their official launch last week, and we received the EMA Key West so we could do a test ride and review for you. Now, EMA is a newer company to the United States, but they're not a new company. They've been around for many years. They've sold over 80 million units worldwide, e-bikes or scooters, electric bikes, that sort of thing. But they are a brand to keep an eye on because their technology is great, the build quality is great, just a really nice bike. Let's go ahead and take a closer look now. So the Key West is designed to be a street riding bike, okay? So bike paths, hard surfaces like sidewalks, bike paths, that sort of thing. So you don't have suspension forks, but that's pretty common for this style of bike. You do have 27.5 tires up here, as well as metal fenders right here. We do have hydraulic brakes and huge rotors, which is nice to see. We got good wire management right here. We see the wiring goes inside the frame. Looks nice. Headlight is mounted up here on the handlebars instead of down here like it traditionally would be. I like it because it makes it easy to reach and if you need to make an adjustment or something while you're riding. So I like that a lot. Over here you do have adjustable handlebars, so you can find a good comfort of riding position. More about the cockpit in just a moment. Moving on around, you can get a better look here. We've got a 12.8 amp hour battery, which is suitable especially when you're riding in torque sensor mode. Yeah, that's right, this bike has both cadence and torque sensor. Nice large crank down here. You can see what the frame is built like. You got an Alta Shimano derailleur right here. This is an 8-speed bike. Moving back here, you can see the metal fender again. We do have brake lights and turn signals, but they're mounted on the frame right down there. Really nice to see. Let me show you what that looks like. There's our left turn signal, real nice and bright. Plus, you have a really nice loud indicator up here on the dash to let you know, hey, you've got your blinkers on, don't forget them, because there's nothing more embarrassing than to turn on a blinker and then ride around town but you forgot that you left your blinker on, right? Let's jump up here into the cockpit area. We have these really nice rubbery style grips with a small little bump out here for your palm rest, but it feels really good. Left-handed thumb throttle. Again, Tektro hydraulic brakes. Button pad here allows you to go up and down, and then your power button is right there in the middle. Really nice looking display. More about that in a second. 8-speed paddle shifter, which I prefer. And your blinkers, your horn, and your headlight are all over here on the right side. Back to the display here. This is a Class 2 style bike. Goes up to 20 miles an hour. They do say you can get up to 28 pedal only. The display here, you see miles per hour, you see your trip setting, that sort of thing. If you double tap over here, it kind of changes the display a little bit. It gives you a different look. You've got off. In this mode for the display, you've got Eco, Tour, Sport, Sport Plus, and Boost. But if you double tap again and go back to the traditional screen, it's actually just displaying 1 through 5 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to change the torque and cadence sensor mode, you have to press both up and down buttons, get into the menu. This is what the menu looks like. You got your clock settings, you got your headlight brightness, or excuse me, your display brightness, your timeout for when the bike shuts off automatically, sort of thing. You can toggle down. You got to watch right here. These little blocks will light up in orange as you toggle, move from. There you go. We got theme settings. We can choose different theme settings here. We'll just leave it where it was. Trip set. Down here in more, tap your power button to get into that. Here's where you have some additional settings. And so up here you see HMI setting. When you double or when you click on the power button, you can get into that mode. And then you can go down through here and do different things with it. You can adjust the sensitivity of the pedal and how it feels. Right here is where you can select whether you want it in cadence mode or torque sensor mode. You can also adjust your password and a few other options there. So kind of nice. Gives you some options there to kind of customize the bike to however it is you like to ride. And speaking of riding, Emma's going to take it out for a ride and show you what it looks like. guys, hope you enjoyed the video of the EMA Key West. If you're interested in this bike, you can't buy it through the dealer's website, or excuse me, the company website. You have to find a dealer near you. If you don't find a dealer near you, you can always just search for one online, contact them, and I'm sure they'd be happy to send one to you. It's worth taking a closer look at because it is a super nice bike. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below if you have any questions, and guys, I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.